Build smart event registration forms using field rules in Zoho Forms. Organizing an event that needs tickets. With Zoho Forms, you can customize your event registration form to show or hide form fields based on the selected ticket type by your registrants. We'll start by adding the basic fields: name, phone, email, and ticket type. Let's say you're hosting an event with 2 ticket options: general admission and VIP. Next, add 2 extra fields just for VIPs: session selection and meal preference. Now go to the Rules tab, Field Rules, and click Configure Now. Set your condition. Let's add our first rule if the VIP ticket. If ticket type is VIP, then show session selection and meal preference fields. Add to save the rule. That's it. Here's how it looks in action. When general admission is selected, the form stays as is. But when a user selects VIP, the form instantly adapts to show additional fields. Smart and seamless. Make your event registration form smarter with Zoho Forms today.